What's up? I'm Jesse Nelson, and I'm going to teach you how to go through the whoop section. Whoops are almost like rollers. They're just really close mounds of dirt, and the objection is just to stay on top of them and try to skim your way across instead of just going up and down through them. And that's the fastest way, is just get on top of them and ride it out. It all depends on the set of whoops, but almost every set of whoops you want to be in a higher gear than expected. Like you don't want to go in it, say second, third, or whatever. You know, sometimes you can get away with third, but it has to be a short set of whoops or something. But you don't want to go through it and have your front end drop or run out of speed going through it. Your bike's just going to keep acting up if you're in a lower gear. So what you want to do is hit your jump or whatever you're coming into your berm, and you want to be in a higher gear, and then let it roll around. Click your next gear, kind of hit the turn in a higher gear, or if it's just a straightaway or whatever, and really like kind of get that lift up onto it, and not pull the wheel up super high or anything. Just kind of get it up on there and just keep a steady, maintained pace, and don't just chop the throttle right away, because you're just going to start spinning. It's going to get you out of control. Keep your legs as tight as you can in, and your balls of feet on the pegs, and kind of straighter back and straighter legs too. I think the scariest thing about going through a set of whoops is just having the guts to go for them. You know, just a lot of people look at them and they're like, oh, I can't go through that, but it's actually it's almost easier than it looks at times, and you just gotta really sock up and go for it, and just make sure you're doing everything you can in the right way, and be as safe as possible. I like whoops. I feel like I'm good at them. It just depends on the whoop section. You know, sometimes I scare myself, and like the higher speed ones, I like the ones that come out of turns, and you know, you have to like really get some effort into them and not just hit a triple straight into a whoop section or something. I mean, that's the high speed ones kind of scare me, just kind of like just gets a little off here and there. But you know, it happens when you get tired a lot. You know, if you're going through them and you're fresh and everything, you usually get them fine, and it'll be all right.